In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate email functionality directly into your Notion workspace. Whether you want to streamline your workflow or track communications more efficiently, this guide will show you how to effortlessly connect your email to Notion. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Notion homepage. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're in, locate the Welcome page, often dubbed Welcome to Notion. This page is your gateway to a multitude of features. Now, as you explore this page, keep an eye out for something that might not seem instantly obvious. It's a simple arrow icon. When you spot it, hover over it, and you'll notice a prompt appear saying, Open Notion Mail. Go ahead and click on that. This step will effectively lead you to open a bridge from your Notion account to your email. Next, you'll be presented with an option to connect with your Google account. This is a crucial part of the process. By linking your Google account, you enable Notion to fetch emails, making them accessible within your Notion interface. So click on the prompt to connect your Google account. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, you'll be asked for permission to allow Notion to access your email. Review the permissions and proceed to allow access. When you're successful in connecting the accounts, it's advisable to do a brief test. Navigate back to your Notion workspace and check for email functionalities that should now be visible. If so, congratulations. You have set up your email in Notion. An important tip is to regularly check your linked accounts to ensure that everything is synced appropriately and functioning as expected. This might sound like an extra step, but it can prevent potential disruptions later on. This integration will help you easily access, manage, and organize your emails without leaving the versatility of Notion. It streamlines your communication and your task management, enhancing both efficiency and productivity. As we wrap up, remember that exploring Notion's capabilities can transform the way you manage your daily tasks and communications. It's a powerful tool that, when used effectively, can dramatically alter your workflow for the better. Experiment with other integrations and see how these can further streamline your everyday tasks. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on maximizing your productivity tools.